Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best microwave containers is probably one of the most essential kitchen tools for anyone who values convenience and safety. These containers are designed to withstand the high temperatures of a microwave, making them perfect for reheating leftovers, cooking meals, and storing food. With a variety of options available, from glass to plastic, and different sizes and features, finding the right microwave-safe containers with lids can greatly enhance your cooking and food storage experience. Number 5. Rubbermaid Brilliance 1.3 Cup Food Storage Containers. Introducing Rubbermaid Brilliance Containers. They feature secure latches that guarantee a 100% leak-proof and airtight seal. This keeps your food fresh and prevents spills. These containers are perfect for meal prep, storing leftovers, and taking food on the go. The leak-proof lids let you confidently store and transport even the messiest foods. Made from BPA-free Tritan plastic, it provides glass-like clarity without the added weight. The crystal-clear design makes it easy to see what's inside, and it's stain and odor-resistant. Each lid has built-in vents underneath the latches for easy, splatter-resistant microwaving. Simply keep the lid on and lift the latches up for convenient reheating. The modular design lets these containers stack perfectly together. This helps you save space and stay organized in the refrigerator, pantry, and cabinet. All containers are BPA-free, microwave-safe for reheat only, top-rack dishwasher, and freezer-safe. This set includes 5 1.3 cup containers with lids, for a total of 10 pieces. What we like? These containers feature a secure, leak-proof seal, perfect for transporting your meals without any spills. The clear design lets you easily see what's inside, saving you time and effort. Plus, the built-in vents make reheating a breeze. If you are looking for a reliable solution for meal prepping and on-the-go lunches, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to wash and are dishwasher and microwave safe. The lid securely very nicely. They are very thick and durable. They last for a very long time. They close and are leak-proof. We are great for meal prep and storage. Number 4. Reusable meal prep containers with lids, 28 ounces. These meal prep containers are designed for durability and leak-proof performance. The hard plastic construction ensures they won't crack or break. The lids seal tightly, preventing spills. Prepare meals in advance and store them safely. These containers are freezer-safe, preserving the flavor and texture of your food. They also prevent freezer burn and odor absorption. Enjoy the convenience of microwaving your meals directly in these containers. Whether at home or the office, it simplifies your meal prep process. You can go from the freezer to your hungry belly in one container. Made from BPA-free and food-grade PP material, these containers are safe for you and the environment. You can reuse them multiple times, and they are also dishwasher safe. If you choose to dispose of them, they are recyclable. These stackable containers are ideal for delis, food trucks, and catering services. They allow for mess-free transportation and keep your customers happy. They are perfect for to-go meals. What we like? These containers are designed with a single compartment, making portion control easy. They are safe for both the freezer and microwave, offering ultimate convenience. Moreover, they are reusable and recyclable, which is good for the environment. If you are looking for a simple and eco-friendly solution for meal prepping and takeout, consider this. What people say. Perfect portion size compartments. They microwave well and take 4-minute sessions in my 1100 watt microwave with no issues or noticeable warping. They are durable and last. Number 3. Bentgo Prep 20-piece meal prep containers, mint. Introducing the Bentgo Prep meal prep containers. This 20-piece set makes portioning simple, helping you maintain a balanced and healthy diet. It's the perfect way to organize your meals. Each container has a 4-cup capacity with embossed measurements. This feature makes it easy to control your portions. The clear, stackable lids keep your food fresh and well organized. Made from tough, PFAS, and BPA-free materials, these containers are built to last. You can say goodbye to single-use plastics with this reusable set. Take them to work, school, or the gym. These containers are easy to heat, store, and clean. You can safely reheat food in the microwave. For easy cleanup, the trays are top-shelf dishwasher safe. With this set, you'll receive 10 one-compartment trays and 10 custom-fit lids. Plus, you'll have access to caring customer support. It's everything you need for convenient meal prepping. What we like. These containers are made from tough, PFAS, and BPA-free materials, ensuring your food is stored safely. They are built to last through repeated use, making them a sustainable choice. Plus, they are easy to clean, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a healthy and reusable option for meal prep, this is the one. What people say. They're lightweight, stackable, and durable enough to go from fridge to microwave without any issues. The lids snap on securely, no leaking, no mess. The seal is great, doesn't spill. Easy to open. And food is fresh. Number 2. RFAQK 28 PCS food storage containers with airtight lids. Introducing a complete range of containers, from small to large. This set is perfect for storing all types of food and leftovers. They are ideal for various occasions, including the gym, picnics, and work lunches. These containers feature a hinge lock system, ensuring they are spill-proof and leak-proof. The airtight seal, created by the removable silicone rings and snap-locking lids, keeps your food fresh. The sturdy design makes it shatterproof. Made with premium quality, crystal-clear plastic, you can easily identify your food. The reusable material ensures a healthy food storage solution, free from toxins. It's a complete food container for everyone. These durable containers are designed for everyday use. They are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The containers are also freezer and microwave safe, base only, and they are odor and stain resistant. These food containers are easily stackable, perfect for organizing your kitchen cabinets and pantry. Nesting them together helps keep your kitchen neat and tidy. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you're not completely happy with your purchase, please contact us. We are committed to making it right for you. What we like. These containers feature an airtight and leak-proof design, ensuring your food stays fresh and secure. They come in a variety of sizes to accommodate all your storage needs. They are also microwave and dishwasher safe, offering convenience. If you like a versatile and reliable storage solution for your kitchen, you should consider this. What people say. My first time ordering and I love them. No leaks. Very strong hold. Am very happy about my purchase. These stack nicely, the lids tightly adhere to the bases and keep the food fresh. Durable, bottoms are microwave safe, not the lid, love that they fit in each other for easy storage. Number 1. Airtight food storage containers with lids. This set includes 20 containers and 20 lids in various sizes. It also comes with labels and a washable marker for easy organization. It's perfect for all your food storage needs. The set includes rectangular, square, and round containers. They range from 1 ounce to 50 ounces, catering to different storage requirements. You can store anything in them. Each container features a premium silicone seal and reinforced locking clips. This design keeps food fresh and prevents spills. It also prevents odors from escaping. These containers are designed for convenience. You can safely use them in the microwave, freezer, and dishwasher. Remember to remove the lid before microwaving. The containers are designed to stack neatly, saving space in your kitchen. They also come with reusable labels and a marker for easy organization. They will keep your kitchen tidy. Made from strong, BPA-free plastic, these containers are built to last. They are also lightweight and easy to carry. It's perfect for work, school, or travel. What we like. These containers are designed to be leak-proof and airtight, keeping your food fresh. The stackable design helps you save space and keep your kitchen organized. They also include labels and a pen for easy identification. If you are looking for a convenient and organized storage solution, this is the one for you. What people say. They are microwave safe. The lids fit well. These containers are great for meal prepping. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.